Hey guys, 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here, and I'm doing an email processing system review, showing proof that the email processing system works and showing you how this instant pay program works, and I'm showing you just proof. So let's get right into it. I'm going to keep this super short. So what the email processing system is, I'm going to first go over what it is. It's an instant pay program, meaning that when you make a commission, it's paid directly to you. You can join at the $25, $50, or $100 level. Whatever level you join at, you're eligible for that level commissions and the commissions underneath it. So there's nothing underneath 25. But if you join 50, you're eligible at the $50 level to get commissions, and 25, you come at 100, you're eligible for 100, 50, and 25 commissions. And these are paid directly to your PayPal. This is a one-time pay program, so unlike a lot of other work-at-home opportunities where you have auto ships and things like that, there's no auto ships. You pay this one time and you never have to pay it again. It is extremely newbie friendly, meaning that when you join this program, training is tied to the program. All right, you don't have to go out and seek training about how to go out and promote, and we give you the advertisements. So both of those are tied to this instant pay program. All you do is go out and do what we show you and tell you to do, and start earning commissions. If you are consistent, then the earnings will be consistent. Okay. Now I already went over what is it that you do with email processing system. Well, to make money, you're going to place ads on social media, but we give you the ads. They're pre-written already. You place them in places like Facebook and Craigslist, and we're going to teach you how to get targeted leads. Okay. These targeted leads will go to your website, and a portion of them will purchase. Okay. We will, once you get your website set up, okay, there will be buttons on there that will go directly to your PayPal so that you can start getting instant cash. Now, once someone joins with you in email processing system, the only thing you have to do is send the person their digital product, which is the pre-written ads, the access to our Facebook group, and access, basically their referral to this program. Okay, you're going to get them plugged into our Facebook group and repeat. All right, so again, the only thing you have to do is send them an email with their purchase, okay, their digital product, which is our training platform and the pre-written ads, and get them to our Facebook group. Those are the only two things you have to do. As long as you can do those two things, place the ads, when you sign someone up, email them, send them their purchase, and get them to our Facebook group. If you can do those three things, you can make money with this system. It's super simple. Okay? And again, training on how to promote. The training that comes with this program is so freaking amazing. You could use this to promote any program because it really teaches you the how. How do you promote on Facebook? How do you promote on Craigslist? How do you, use YouTube? Okay, if you come in at the $100 level, you're going to get a 5K blueprint on how to make $5,000 a month online. And that is so easy to do with this system because you're getting $100 and $50 commissions if you come in at that level at a time. Okay, so you can quickly build a sustainable income. All right. So I already talked about, the system is simple. You post ads. So for example, Facebook or Craigslist, you could swap those out. The system, which is the website that we create for you when you get that, goes to work because it's a high converting website, and then the commissions come out on the other side. But you have to be consistent with this part, which is the posting part. Okay. So here is today is January 27th, 2018, and I got a commission that came in today, $100. And it's so easy for anyone to make, $200 plus to $600 a week because the commissions are $100 or $50 if you come in at those levels. Okay. And that's pretty much it. So let me get into showing you how this works. Give me a second. Okay, this is my PayPal page. I just wanted to show you that this is me, and I'm gonna go and show you the sales that have come in with PayPal. Let me go ahead and do that. I just have to block out people's stuff, so give me a second. Okay, I'm back. So here I am in my PayPal, and I tried to block out as much of people's information as possible, but I wanted to show you a portion of the sales that have come in. Now, keep in mind that this is not all of my sales, and the reason being is sometimes I have people who come from countries that they don't use PayPal. So I use Square with them, and I have additional commissions that are over there. All right, but today I'm just showing you my PayPal proof. So here you can see I had today I had a $100 commission come in. Of course, once PayPal takes their cut, it's $96.80. Had another $96.80 that came in. I had $48 or $50 sale that came in here, and then I had a additional $100 sale. Okay, so if you add that up, I've made almost what just in PayPal alone. Let's see, what was that? 1, 2, 3, about $350 with this one-time program, and I only paid $100 and made $350, and that's just my PayPal. That does not include my Square sales. Okay, now what do you get when you join with me? So well, before I even go there, hold that thought. I'm gonna take you into our proof group. This is our proof group where people are posting their results. Okay, so you have someone saying here they have multiple they're the $25 level. They have multiple $25 commissions here. We have people welcoming other people, which means that other people are making commissions and sales. And let's see, someone had a $515 day. And let's see, where's this person had? This person had she had 3 sales in one day, four $25 commissions come in one day. And I could keep going, but I'm not gonna take too much time. I want to show you what you get. We had another person get a $25 sale, and I mean, we could keep going. All right, $100 sale for this person. Okay, so yeah, this really works. I love this instant pay program. Now, what do you do with the instant pay commissions? The reason why I love this program is if you have another online business. Sometimes people join a crap load of businesses that don't convert well. You know, other people get frustrated because they just don't know what to do to promote that program. We have everything you need tied to this program, and here's what I do with my instant pay program. I use it I put a portion in savings every time I get a $100 sale, put a little bit in savings, and then put an additional portion into traffic for my primary business, and that's a good strategy to have. Okay, so that's it. Now let me show you, once you join with us, you get plugged into this group, which is a Change Your Life group, and we have another group that will plug you in. My personal people, I plug into my own group, and it's a smaller group. Let me go to my group. Give me a second. Change. Okay, this is my personal group for my people who partner with me, and it's Success with 𝐒𝐻𝐻𝐿. And in this group, I give people what they need. Okay, from traffic sources that are free and low paid, you know, showing them what to do, giving them tips, you know, and just giving them support. People can always reach me in this group. Okay, I give lots of, as you can see, there's resources here. I give lots of training, how to follow up, you know, things like that. And that's it. I even give, you know, them a 30-day challenge and information. Okay, so that's what you get when you partner with me. And that's it. All right, so if you found this of value, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe if you're on YouTube. There'll be some information in the comment section below on how you can connect with me. All right, that's it. All right, talk to you later.